Hello students, very good morning. This is your maths period. So as you know, lesson number 1, numbers up to 200 is going on. So today we will solve question number 1 from the exercise 1E, page number A13. Clear? So all of you take out your maths book and take your pencil. Let's start. Page number A13, exercise 1E. Question number 1. Okay, so let's solve this question. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so students, here you will fill the blanks with the place value. Okay, so see this first question. In 124, 4 is at ones place. Okay, so this 4 ones place, 2 is at tens place, 1 is at hundreds place. Okay. O for ones, T for tens and H for hundreds. Okay. So 4 is at ones place. Okay. You can write it here, ones. Okay. Next, in 176, 7 is at tens place, 6 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. So that's why 7 is at tens place. You can write it here, tens. Okay. In 182, 1 is at hundreds place. Okay. 2 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. So you can write it here, hundreds place. Okay. 1 is at hundreds place. Okay. Next, in 105, 0 is at tens place. Okay. 5 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. Okay. So 0 is at tens place. Okay. Next, in 180, 0 is at, so the 0 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. So 0 is at ones place. Clear? Come to the next question. In 162, 1 is at hundreds place. Okay. 2 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. O for ones, T for tens and H for hundreds. Okay. So 1 is at hundreds place. Okay. Clear? In 143, 3 is at ones place. Okay. 3 is at ones place. In 198, 9 is at tens place. 8 is at ones place, 9 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. Okay, you can write it here, tens place. Okay, tens place. Next, in 127, 7 is at ones place. Okay, 7 is at ones place. In 173, 1 is at hundreds place, 3 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place and 1 is at hundreds place. Okay, so 1 is at hundreds place. Okay. Students, in book, write it here CW, write date today, 8 April 2021. Okay, so now let's solve this question in copy. Okay, so all of you take out your class copy. Okay. So students, first of all, writing a class copy, write CW. Okay, here write date today, 8 April 2021. Okay, after that write the lesson number 1, write the lesson name here, numbers up to 200. Okay, so here write the exercise 1E. Right, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Okay, and underline this statement. So first question, in 124, 4 is at ones place. Okay, so you write it here once. Okay, in 176, 7 is at tens place. Okay, in 182, 1 is at hundreds place. Okay, in 105, 0 is at tens place. In 180, 0 is at ones place. In 162, 1 is at hundreds place. Okay, in 143, 3 is at ones place. In 198, 9 is at tens place. Okay, in 127, 7 is at ones place. Okay, in 173, 1 is at hundreds place. Okay, so like this solve your question number 1 in your copy classwork. Okay, now students, for homework today, solve question number 2 from the exercise 1E. Okay, solve question number 2. Question 2, write the place value of each digit in the box. Okay, here in this box you will write the place value of each digit. Okay, so students, how will you solve this question? Let's say this. I'm given one example. Okay, I'm going to solve first question. Okay, let's see. So 2 is at ones place. Okay, place value here 1. Okay, so 2 multiply by 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay, you can write here 2. 5 is at tens place. Here value is 10. So 5 multiply by 10 equal to 50. 5 tens are 50. Okay, you can write it here 50. 1 is at hundreds place. So value is 100. So 1 multiply by 100 equal to multiply by 100. Okay, equal to 100. Clear? Okay, so solve these questions like this. Okay, now solve in your copy this question second. Okay, so in your copy write here SW, write day to day, write exercise. Okay, write the question 2, write here statement, and solve these questions in your copy like this. Okay.